my goodness. This place is a mess. I wonder if I can clean it using Tempo. We should try.
Moderato. You know, if I go this fast, it's gonna take me forever to clean this room. Moderato's only medium speed. I wonder what this button does. I think I'll try it. Oh no. I hit the wrong button. Now I'm going Largo. Largo is not fast. It's gonna take me years to finish this room if I continue to go Largo. Largo must mean really, really slow. Oh no. I'm going to be slowly cleaning this room for the rest of my life. I've got to find a better button. Nothing's working. I'm still going Largo. Oh wait, I think this is the button that puts me back. It says Moderato. Oh yes, I remember. Moderato. That's medium speed. Let's try this one. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm back to Moderato. But still, now that I've gone Largo for so long, I need to speed up. What do I have? We have Allegro, Andante. What's Presto? Presto sounds interesting. Oh, well, it looks like I'm going faster. Oh my goodness. This is good. I'm gonna get this room done in no time. Okay, well, Presto must mean very fast. Let's see what it means. Yes, it does. It means very fast. Look, even the cat is going very fast. We're going to get this done in no time. But, you know, I have something going on later I really need to do. So maybe we'll try this Prestissimo button. Oh my gosh! I might light the floor on fire. I'm moving so fast. This is crazy. Prestissimo. Boy, that must mean very, very fast. Wow, look at me go. This was the best day. I got this done in no time. Back to Moderato.
Done. Whew.